double MG, the mother niggas fell off. Baby girl, I just wanna see you well off.
Everybody lit, can't put our fire out. Hey.
First thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the Glock out.
What's poppin', gang? Welcome back to It's Just Tay Vlogs.
Let's get it.
The whole world is upside down. Don't wanna go out 'cause I can't ride without you. Here's what a girl's supposed to do. When I'm spinning your life, I don't wanna be without you. I got you.
Yeah. Yeah. We ain't gonna give me the outfit. Get on. Yeah, turn around. Yeah. Ooh. She outside. Watch out.
She didn't have no fucking pride. Whatever we do, we gotta make sure we get to the up to the bar before 12.
This motherfucking is, and I gotta stand beside my cousin, cause what the fuck? Y'all, this bathroom line was so motherfucking long. This bitch,
Who been still in the line?
she walked in front of like 100 people, y'all, and went straight in.
Cause who the fuck finna wait to use the bathroom? Bitch, I gotta pee, move.
And guess who walked right behind her ass? Bitch, she jumped off the bridge. I'm right there, bitch. Yeah, everybody looking. I don't even know if they mad, but my meat buckets stay ahead.
And they ain't say shit.
Period.
I handled my business.
And we feel good. Happy motherfucking New Year.
Happy New Year.
Come on, let's go. I'm walking, let's go. Look how long this line is, y'all. Look how long it is, y'all. Y'all, the time is winding down, baby. Time is winding down, y'all. If you know me, y'all know I be so emotional. So emotional. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! what's up, JT gang? I have not checked in with y'all. Oh, I look rough, y'all. This day, y'all know I had a long day yesterday, y'all. But I wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know what the vibes was. Y'all, yesterday, we were so damn drunk for New Year's. I know I ended December 31st off with a motherfucking bang. 2023, appreciate you. But, y'all, I got so damn drunk yesterday, y'all. I tripped over a damn tree, y'all. And threw up. The mimosas did it, y'all. And yesterday was just so beautiful, y'all. We were so drunk yesterday. I'm gonna put so many videos up for y'all to see, but I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know this is the last day. So we finna get dressed, get out, do some things, and yeah, y'all gonna vibe with your girl, okay?
You gotta pump a J on this one. You can't even drink Cristal on this one. You gotta drink Cristal.
Kiss it, better, baby. Waiting on that sunshine, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that.
Flip flop, kicking this shit, no juice out. That's about my nigga. I been hot, ain't about money. Nigga kick rocks, that's all fat. No zero.
No one else gon' get it like that. So why argue? You, yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? But you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. In your eye.
I just tasted it and it tastes good. P, give you a review. It's natural. 1 out of 10. It ain't bad, and you can't look for it to be sweet because it's water.
I don't like it.
What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know I look for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues on a riddle. Oh, wow, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby, bitch. Tell me love her to the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. I got you West Coast. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. I got she West Coast. You see it's what didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know I look for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for a riddle. Oh, wow, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, every bit of this one she fine, oh yeah. She want this, and she got this. She know we control them, yeah. She dance it, she want it. She make me want give her body, back shots, body. Give her body, back shots, body. Give her body, back shots, body. Wow, 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 wow. Hot shit, way I jump for NYC. Big girl, she carry the best I've seen. Steady, be ready, the assassin. Sweet in my belly, you're like cake, guys, something.
show y'all what's popping, gang. We are back at Kush Factory. And we're just gonna chill here until we get ready and get on our flight. Go back home. Yeah, we made it on the shuttle. Gonna go to the airport. Made it to the airport. And we're going to get ready and go here to Nashville. Today we made it back to Nashville, y'all. We got extremely tired, so I'm going to go ahead in the vlog. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. This is me too. Happy New Year, sister.
My friends, I guess, the